Balao, Iligan City. Alright, that's correct, the village! Pagod ka mga Marites Kasapto. Alright, to continue, para maano na itong prizes, balik ka sa tuwang Bring Me. But at the same time, right now, usa-usa na lang ang mutaw. This table.
5,
The sound.
3, 2,
This is an English word. So, mga wala sawa. Bring me your crush. Alright, bring me your crush. I believe that you have. Alright, so parang may mga nasa last part na lang ang book of Revelation, ha? Not to the person po. Alright, bring me your crush. Sino yung may courage tonight, ha? So, this is a celebration of love. Alright, so we go! Bring me your crush! Oy, wala ko din mag-iulit, ha?
Pwede picture?
Crush! Bring me your crush! If you... Crush mo, crush mo. Since when? Dapat may mas lower sa 10! Dapat mas lower sa 10! 5%! Dapat may mas lower sa 5%! Alright, that's the winner! Okay. That's been 3 years. Bakit? Cute kay siya! Kasi cute niya yung height. Kasi cute niya. So, yun na mong sakto sa briefing. Alright, so once again, let's give a round of applause. Later on, you will receive your prize. Okay? Tawagan ako ng winners. Later on, yung courage today not to
5,
crush the two wins.
3, 2,
Ay, dito nga, oh! Ay, kuwan na ito. Saan ba siya kaning props lang? Crush